don't know if you've been to an airport since COVID, but it is mayhem. My goodness. Good morning from beautiful Iceland. We just got off the 5-hour overnight flight from Montreal. The problem with a 5-hour overnight flight is like you don't get enough sleep. It's just not enough to get a full night of sleep. But anyway, we've touched down in Iceland. We are pumped on adrenaline, excited to explore this place. The very first destination is the Blue Lagoon. I'm sure you've seen this on social media or YouTube or whatever. It's kind of the most popular tourist destination here, so we're gonna go check it out. It's kind of cold outside, so we're looking forward to getting into some warm water. Okay, let's go.
You're like a marshmallow.
Oh yeah.
You're so good.
That's it. Steamy it is. Thank you so much.
Is the Civica one leaving for 10 minutes? Here's somebody.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
10 minutes.
I think it is comparable. Oh, here's your phone camera? Yeah. He looks super zombie Leslie. You're right. This is very white. Go again? Go again. Yeah, do it again.
I'm just going to keep shaking.
It's getting crispy. Yeah. That's the point. It's meant to get like hard.
Look at Lonnie.
Yeah, like Lonnie's nose. Yeah, Lonnie's nose is getting crispy.
And her forehead.
Hey guys, I get 1 green juice and 2 raspberry slushies. So there's a swim up bar here, and you go up, tap your thing, and they give you whatever you want. I don't know if it's included or not. Not a fan. We got a green juice because, like, when you travel a lot, you want to avoid getting sick as much as possible.
It's not great, but it could be worse.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. You can almost taste the healthiness of it. Gingery? Delicious. This whole lagoon is powered by the geothermal plant right next door. So this is not a natural hot spring, although there are tons of those in Iceland. This one is not. This is probably the biggest and most well known, but yeah, like I said, it's not actually a natural hot spring. It's all thanks to that power plant next door, and then I guess they just pump the warm water into here. When it comes in at the other end of the pool, it's really hot. So we're kind of in the less hot area. But yeah, when it's cool outside, it's so nice in the water.
Right, Daddy? Like, it's eating your
It is,
water
yeah.
because it helps you. Oh,
Definitely.
see, look.
Blue Lagoon was awesome. My skin feels so dry and like crusty now, but it was still a lot of fun. I think it would be really, really special if it was like snowing outside. I think I've said in other videos that that's like a dream of mine, like snow falling on my face, but I'm in a really hot body of water. But it was still really, really cool. Right now we're gonna catch a bus into Reykjavik, check into our hotel, and start exploring the capital city. Let's go. Thank you. Well, good morning from Reykjavik. This is a beautiful city. We had a pretty rough night last night. Both girls were sick, throwing up around the place. So we kind of went to bed at like 7 p.m. and only got going now, and it's like lunchtime the next day. But anyway, we're excited to explore Reykjavik. I guess that's the perils of travel, right? It's kids getting sick and you're moving fast and you can't really stop to recover. So anyway, we're looking forward to exploring the city and taking you with us. You may notice behind me that pretty much all the buildings here are maximum 2-3 stories, which is why this church is such a stark comparison. It towers over the city. You can see it from pretty much anywhere. I remember driving in yesterday, you could see it from ages away. It is huge. It's meant to represent the volcanic stones that form when lava pours. Now I've heard there's not a lot of cool things inside. That actually inside is pretty minimal, but the best part is outside. So pretty cool building. Like I said, it really does tower over the city. Yeah, definitely way better from the outside. So we come to the Pearland Museum. I don't have a lot to tell you right now, but once I'm done here, I'm going to tell you a ton of stuff. Yeah, you do, yeah. Sure. We'll find out, girlie. That was the Pearland Museum, #1 rated attraction in Reykjavik on TripAdvisor. And it was pretty cool. They have this ice cave in there, which was awesome. And
the ice cave was my favorite.
Ice cave was really cool.
It was too cold.
Too cold. Too cold.
They made it too. Tried to make a hole to escape.
We tried to dig our way out. No, that was really cool. And in general, there's just a lot of info on Iceland and the aurora, and it was really cool. So I would recommend it. If you're in Reykjavik and you're not out seeing things, it's kind of the best alternative you can have. We are going to head back to our new hotel now, and we'll see how we go. Oh, did you do that? That's good, girl.
Look at the water.
Coloring. Ah, stunning. It's really pretty. Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right. Wow, that's cool.
This is fun.
Yeah,
Adventurous way.
that's right. The adventurous way.
Jelly, fish. Camera. Guess who
Ooh.
drew that?
Who did that?
A-L-A-N-I.
Oh, nice. Uh-huh.
The obstacle course.
First up on the Golden Circle is a place called Thingvellir, I think. I'm probably not saying that right at all. Thingvellir was the original place of parliament in Iceland. Iceland was originally a bunch of nomadic tribes. They would come here once a year and talk about the country, talk about the affairs of the country. I also believe it is the rift between the Asian and American continent. I think you can do like snorkeling and scuba diving and stuff here, but I don't think we're really prepared for that. So we're just gonna see what's around. Let's check it out. Designated camera girl over here.
I'm a camera person.
There you are, camera girl. So this is the second stop on the Golden Circle, the geyser. This is a cool fact. The word geyser that we use for any kind of geyser, that actually comes from this spot. So this is the original geyser. I think it's really cool. Like, this was the first one, and we're here right now. Anyway, we're gonna walk along this path here, and we're gonna find the geyser. Apparently it erupts every 10 to 15 minutes. So hopefully we'll get lucky and see it explode. On the drive here, we actually did see it come up. So yeah, hopefully not much longer until it erupts. Steamy.
Oh man. Is that it?
Maybe that's it for today.
Just turned it off.
It tricked everyone.
Oh my god.
Wow, that was a good one. We made it to the third and final checkpoint of the Golden Circle. This is the Gullfoss Falls. I hear this is a very impressive waterfall. Can you see? You still can't see it? Come over here. We can also see a giant glacier on the horizon, which is awesome. See, that's all. Anyway, this should be cool. I hear this waterfall is pretty impressive. Very small. It's much windier today. It is our last day here in Iceland. It's been such a cool trip, even with the kind of highs and lows of the kids getting sick and all that. Everyone's been so friendly. We have yet to meet anyone that doesn't speak English, so overall, great trip. Today, we are chasing waterfalls. We're going hunting for the famous waterfalls, which I cannot pronounce. Iceland is quite a big island, right? So there's a lot of driving involved, but yeah, hopefully we have the day ahead of us. I'm sure we're gonna be able to do it, and then we will head back to the airport tonight for a really early flight tomorrow. But yeah, it's colder today. I can feel it. It feels like Iceland. I think we got really lucky the first 3 days where it was like beautiful and sunny. Today's much colder. Brr. But hey, still holding to my faithful slippers. All right, let's go find some waterfalls. So cool.
I heard blowing. I would put it over so much.
Yeah?
Keep on going down there, and they're gonna go in the water.
Oh my goodness. A bit wet. So this is the last waterfall on our adventure today, Gullfoss. I hope I'm saying that right. That's a fairly simple word by Icelandic standards. Gullfoss. This waterfall is huge. The girls were too cold and wet to come out of the car, so I left them behind. Solo travel time. So cool, so much power coming over that waterfall. Incredible. Now I'm going to wrap up this video now. We've had a great time in Iceland. Like I said, despite the highs and lows, the kids getting sick and dealing with, you know, cancelled tours and everything, it's been great. People have been really friendly. It actually reminds me a ton of Hawaii, to be honest, because obviously it's volcanic as well, waterfalls and outdoor scenery. It reminds me a ton of Hawaii, especially the Big Island. So if you've ever gone to the Big Island of Hawaii, Iceland is very, very similar. Obviously, just way colder. But hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope there was enough of a story here to make it entertaining. I'll see you in the next. Oh, getting really wet. See you in the next one.